eyewitness weather forecast.
Exactly 6:10 now on this cool but still nice Thursday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking another split weekend ahead of us with some showers, some cooler temperatures to start, and then things slowly but surely improving as we head into Mother's Day on Sunday. Let's take a look first things first at our cameras from around the region. You'll notice we do have a lot of sunshine, a few mid and high level clouds out there, but as I mentioned, it is still a bit on the cool side, but at least it looked and felt a lot better than it did on our Wednesday when we had all those dreary conditions. With that being said, it is still cool out there. Temperatures in the 50s from the valley on toward the south. A couple of locations up toward the north and east, both Old Forge and Lake Pleasant, stuck in the upper 40s, 48 and 49 there respectively. And this is again still about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of year. We'll be doing that again as we head into our Friday with temperatures starting the day in the 30s and 40s, and it looks like we will see variably cloudy skies throughout the day. There could be a few passing spotty showers as we head through the late morning into the early afternoon, but most of us will remain dry and we won't see much rainfall accumulation. Then it looks like we'll see some sunshine breaking out as we head into the afternoon, but still a little bit on the cool side. Highs again in the mid 50s. We are seeing some showers on the radar right now, especially the farther west that you go. Especially west of Interstate 81, but most of this is not making its way down toward the ground because there is a lot of dry air in place, but there will still be the chance of a spotty shower as we head through this evening and again tomorrow. The reason is because we have a couple of troughs up toward our north and west that have to swing their way through, but at the same time, high pressure is keeping things dry here at the surface in terms of those dew points. Overnight tonight, we will see increasing clouds out there, and again, that spotty shower chance, especially toward and after midnight. And I think the best chance of that is the farther south that you go, but even most of that won't make its way down toward the ground. We'll see temperatures in the 30s to right around 40 degrees, but because of the clouds out there, I wouldn't expect much frost. That may be the case up toward the north. You might see some more frost there with less in the way of clouds, and then there's that spotty shower chance as we head into your Friday afternoon into the evening hours as well, but definitely not a washout by any means. And again, the same thing the farther south that you go, and it looks like we'll do the same thing as we head through Saturday. This takes us from 11 p.m. on Friday through 11 p.m. on Saturday. Again, Saturday looking like the wetter of the two weekend days. The farther south that you go, the farther north you go, you might not even find a drop of rain up toward the North Country, but closer toward the Interstate 88 corridor. There could be as much as half an inch to an inch of rain in some locations. As we head through Sunday, I should say, we will see improving conditions. It'll be breezy with still a spotty shower left, and then Monday and Tuesday will still be cool, but we will dry things out, and then it looks like we turn unsettled and a little bit on the milder side again for the middle of next week for Wednesday and Thursday, highs in the 60s. The latest forecast available anytime at cnyhomepage.com, and Thomas, I'll send it back to you in the meantime.
Thank you, Jordan.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Nearing 10:17 now on this Thursday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some shower chances as we head into your Friday that become more numerous as we head into your Saturday, but it's not all bad news for the weekend. Let's first take a look at the almanac for today, and even though the temperature was 10 to 11 degrees for both the high and low respectively, below average, it was still 10 to 11 degrees, in some cases warmer than it was yesterday, when most of us only got into the 40s after starting the day in the 40s. Today, obviously, we started in the 30s, so a bit of a frosty start out there, but we got well into the 50s, and we had a lot of sunshine. Unlike the dreary conditions that we had yesterday, no precipitation was observed. As far as temperatures from around the region right now, as at the 10 o'clock hour, we're sitting at 46 degrees in downtown Utica with just a few clouds over most of the area. But up toward the north and down toward the south, you've got many readings that are into the lower 40s, and if not already the upper 30s in some locations. I think most, if not all of us, end up in the middle and upper 30s as we go through the overnight hours, and then we make our way into the lower, if not the middle 50s, as we head through the day tomorrow. So temperatures within a degree or two of where they were today. The difference is that there will be some more clouds and some more shower chances as we head through tomorrow. It doesn't look like it'll be a washout by any means, but the best chance of a pop-up shower will be between about 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. or so. So just keep an eye to the sky, and you might have to run in real quick if you do encounter any showers. There is one little shower being detected over Herkimer County right now, but because of the dry air in place, I don't think it's reaching the ground. The same cannot be true, however, for areas over toward the Lake Ontario shoreline, where you're seeing some of those darker greens, the yellows and the oranges. Some of it is reaching its way down toward the ground, and I don't think we'll see much, if any, of that here. That changes again through tomorrow, thanks to a trough off toward the east, and this area of high pressure also is trying to fight it off. But back toward the west, we do have an area of low pressure that is closing in on Manitoba right now, and that'll impact us for both Saturday and Sunday of the upcoming weekend. Futurecast, first things first, shows us that we will have those spotty shower chances during the overnight hours, but again, that would be the exception and not the rule. That kind of changes as we head through the day tomorrow. We'll start the day off with just a few clouds and then kind of increase the clouds late morning into the early afternoon, and from the thruway on south, that's where you have those best chances of seeing some spotty showers between about 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. And then we'll see mainly clear skies tomorrow night, and that means we could start the day with some frost, maybe even some patchy fog as we head through Saturday. As far as rainfall from 11 p.m. Friday through 11 p.m. on Saturday, the best chances are off toward the west and down toward the south. Areas up toward the north and east might not see much, if any, rain at all. And then it wraps up as we head through Sunday. Saturday, I should mention, that's part of a warm front, so that's the reason why Sunday will be a little bit warmer, and then we'll see some showers moving through thanks to a cold front. And then Monday and Tuesday are still seasonably cool, but at least we do get the chance to dry things out. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. It's time to send things over.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
11:12 is now the time on this late Thursday evening. I'm meteorologist Ron Reed, closing in on what was a cool day, but definitely a little bit warmer than it was yesterday, and it looks like it'll be within a degree or two of today. Again, tomorrow, the difference tomorrow is that it's a bit more unsettled, and it turns even more so as we head into the weekend. Let's first take a live look at downtown Utica right now, where we're under clear skies. I do expect that to change toward and after midnight. We will see some increasing clouds out there, temperature under those clear skies, and a relatively calm wind. It's out of the north at 3 miles an hour, 40 degrees. The dew point is, or I should say, the feels like temperature is at 40 thanks to that light wind. Visibility not an issue. With the dew point and the temperature going to be a little bit closer tonight, there is the risk of a bit of fog and a bit of frost out there, but I do expect increasing clouds and the winds to be somewhat stirred up. So I don't expect as much frost tonight as there will be tomorrow night. Across the area right now, we do have temperatures that are favorable for frost, especially the farther south and the farther north that you go, with temperatures there into the middle and the upper 30s. The rest of us in the valley are right around, if not just above, 40 degrees as of the 11 o'clock hour. And we started the day in the 30s today. We ended up around 56 degrees for that high. I do expect the same as we head through tomorrow. The difference again tomorrow is that there will be some spotty shower chances, particularly between about 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. I don't expect it to be a washout, but you might just have to run inside for 20 or 30 minutes while a shower passes through if you have to spend any time outside tomorrow. Again, that westerly wind making it feel cooler than average by about 5 to 15 degrees or so. You might be seeing some spotty shower chances on the radar. I think the bark is worse than the bite here. The same cannot be said, however, for areas along the Lake Ontario shoreline where there is a bit more moisture to the air. So that means some of that is reaching the ground right now, and I do expect that to be the case for us through late tomorrow morning into the afternoon and the first part of the evening, thanks to a trough off toward the east, another weak trough moving in up toward the north, and that high pressure trying to fight it off before an area of low pressure impacts both Saturday and Sunday of the upcoming weekend. I'll tell you all about that in the 7-day momentarily, but let's take a look first things first at our futurecast. And again, there will be some spotty showers toward and after midnight tonight, but again, most of that not reaching its way down toward the ground thanks to the dry air that's still in place. That changes as we head through tomorrow afternoon with temperatures into the upper 40s to the low and mid 50s. And it looks like we will dry things out again and clear things out in terms of sky conditions tomorrow night into Saturday morning. So that means that there will be more frost than there will be tonight. And then Saturday, we've got a warm front moving through. So that means we'll see some scattered showers, especially as we head into the afternoon. Some of those might linger into Sunday morning, but Sunday definitely the drier and the brighter of the 2 weekend days. And then we do amp up the rain chances again Sunday night as a cold front moves through. And that means we'll dry out for Monday and Tuesday, but it does does turn cool yet again, turning unsettled and a little bit milder for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan.